If your air conditioning suddenly blows hot, or your heater only pushes cold air no matter what you set, there's a good chance your blend door actuator has lost its calibration. That's the small motor behind your dash that controls how much hot and cold air get mixed together before they reach the vents. Before you spend $300 or $400 replacing it, try resetting it first. Most of the time, the actuator isn't actually broken. It just needs to relearn its position. Here are 4 methods that work, starting with the simplest. Method 1 is the fuse pull. This is the cleanest way to force your climate system to recalibrate. Start with the engine off and the key out. Open your fuse box, check the diagram on the lid, and find the fuse labeled HVAC, heater, or AC. Pull it and leave it out for at least 30 seconds. This cuts power to the climate control module so it drops its old, incorrect settings. Now put the fuse back, turn the key to the on position without starting the engine, and here is the important part. Do not touch any of the climate controls. The module will move the actuators on its own, driving the doors to their stops to find the limits. You'll hear some soft clicking or whirring behind the dash for about 40 seconds. That's it doing the work. Let it finish, then start the car and test it. Method 2 is the battery and key cycle method. Use this if you can't find the right fuse or if the fuse pull didn't fully fix it. Disconnect the negative battery cable. Then, with the cable still off, turn your key to the on position for about a minute. This drains any leftover power sitting in the system, so the module resets completely instead of just part way. Turn the key back off, reconnect the negative cable, and then turn the key to on one more time with the engine off. Again, leave the controls alone and give it a full minute to cycle the doors and relearn its range. One heads up, disconnecting the battery can also reset your radio presets and clock, so be ready to set those again. Method 3 is the control head reset, and this one depends on your car. A lot of General Motors vehicles have a built-in shortcut. With the key on, press the AC button and the recirculate button at the same time, 3 times, quickly. If your car supports it, the mode lights will flash while it recalibrates and stop once it's done. On simpler vehicles with basic dial controls, you can slowly sweep the temperature knob from full cold to full hot and back a few times, which can help nudge the door back into range. Check your owner's manual here, because the exact combo changes from model to model. Method 4 is the scan tool method, and this is the one that works when the others don't. A diagnostic scan tool that can talk to your climate system lets you command a recalibration directly through the heating and air conditioning menu. This is the same way a shop does it. If you don't own one, most auto parts stores sell an affordable scanner, or a local mechanic can run it in a few minutes. The bonus is that the scanner also reads fault codes, so it will tell you whether the actuator has truly failed or is just out of sync. Now, one honest warning before you start. On older high-mileage cars, the plastic gears inside these actuators get brittle. When you force a recalibration, the motor drives the door hard into its stops, and a worn gear can crack right there. So if you run a reset and suddenly hear a repeating click that won't stop, that usually means the actuator was already on its way out, and now it needs replacing. That's not the reset's fault. It just found the weak link. So to recap, start with the fuse pull. Move to the battery and key cycle if you need to. Try the control head shortcut for your make, and reach for a scan tool when you want the sure thing. 4 methods, no guesswork, and in most cases, no new parts at all. If this saved you a trip to the shop, subscribe for more quick fixes like this one.